Heading tags, also known as header tags, can be compared to headlines that you see in newspapers or magazines. On the web, search engines use such headlines to help categorize websites for search purposes. For example, in my page, there is an article, and immediately above it is its title or headline. Rather than using a text box to make this headline, it will be more beneficial for search engine optimization if this text was a header tag. To do this, start by drag and dropping the heading tags widget onto the page. In the heading text field, type in your heading. If possible and appropriate, try to include your primary key term in the heading. The heading level field allows you to indicate to search engines the importance of your header. For example, returning to the primary and secondary key term practice, your primary key term should be a part of an H1 header, since H1 is the highest level. And your secondary key term would be part of an H2 header. The rule of thumb is to only include one H1 heading per page. As for placing multiple headings, it is recommended to only do this if it makes sense to do so. Do not try to beat the system by adding a dozen headings of various levels, just to have your keywords everywhere. Search engines are much smarter than this, and there are many other factors that go into SEO rankings, so this approach will not do much for you, and could even be detrimental to your search engine rankings. Therefore, it is recommended to use only one H1 heading per page. If it makes sense to have another heading on your page, use an H2 or an H3 heading, and place your secondary key term within it. However, if it makes more sense to place your secondary key term into your H1 heading, then do so. You can align your heading in the Heading Tags widget using the Text Alignment field. If you want to style the text further, click on the Fonts button and make the changes you want as if you were styling a text box.